Pinterest is the guided search engine to discover the visual contents like images and video. That means keyword plays a big role. You can optimize this keyword while creating your brand new account itself, as well as you can optimize the keyword to get ranking in your board, as well as you can use the keyword in your pin so that you can get tons of views as well as the link clicks. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do Pinterest keyword research. So smash that like button, guys, because keywords are the key here. And do subscribe my channel where I'm uploading videos related to affiliate marketing on Monday and Thursday. And put that bell notification so whenever I upload a video or anything in the community tab, you can see all those content first. With that said, let's dive in. So before we start the keyword research on Pinterest, I just want to share you these 3 stats of Pinterest, that is Google keyword research versus Pinterest keyword research. So if you can see, both are the search engine. And if you can go to Google here and if you type like how to manifest, so manifest anything, Google will show you more long tail keywords. Okay, so Google users, guys, whoever is coming to Google, they use more long tail keywords. Okay, but in the Pinterest, guys, more than the long tail keyword, okay, 1 word, 2 words, 3 words, this is what they more preferable. I'm just telling you. That means they are definitely using the long tail keyword also in the Pinterest, as well as the Google also people are using one single word, no doubt, but more Google is for long tail keyword. Pinterest is all about 1 word or 2 words like that. That you have to keep in mind. Another is more the user are using from their phone. Okay, that is really important. So your board, your pin should be optimized on that way. That will cover. And then the very important thing is, guys, the keyword and pin images. So previously, guys, the keywords are very valuable in the Pinterest to rank your content. Okay, but now it is seeing from the past 2 years, we are experiencing this. The images plays a big role. Now the users, what they're doing is, instead of going with the keywords, okay, they're just typing one keyword, and then what they're seeing is whichever the board is good, they will save. Okay, or they will click and read. Okay, that's what they are using. So that means, guys, you have to keep in mind this Pinterest is not affiliate marketplace, okay, or a buying and selling product platform. For Pinterest is keeping their user interest base, or entertaining their user with your content. So with that said, let's understand one more concept of any social media, and that is niche down, which apply to Pinterest also in some extent. Okay, so here you can see, so now you have to decide in which niche you want to create your account. Okay, for example, I want to create in law of attraction, but law of attraction is a huge big niche. I don't want to go and create a page of law of attraction. Okay, and then what I can do, you have to niche down. Okay, you have to niche down under law of attraction, guys. If you are into this niche, you might know this manifestation, affirmation, visualization, dream boarding, and there are many more right now. So I want to go with manifestation. Okay, and then under manifestation, I will get so many different keywords like manifestation money, manifest love, manifestation relationship, wealth 369, okay, and journals and method. So you have to come up with guys 1 or 2 keywords for your niche, for your page. Okay, you should very clear in which niche you have to start, and then you have to niche down. Now this applies to all the social media, website, YouTube channel, and everywhere, guys, wherever you're creating any page. Okay, niche down. But wait a second, guys, in Pinterest this apply for only some extent. Okay, only some extent. So that means, guys, you can create a board in all of these things, to get the tons of traffic. I want to target 1 or 2 keywords. For example, this one, the primary keyword, which I call for law of attraction, manifestation, and money. Okay, so my 50% of my boards and pin, almost 50% of my board and pin will be based on law of attraction, manifestation, and money only. And then rest of the 50% is all different keywords, which I was talking about here. Okay, like this money, love, relationship, visualization, all these things. I will also gonna use the law of attraction, something like this. But this formula which I showed you, law of attraction, manifestation, and money, more the board and pin will be targeting for manifestation, people who are looking for money, through manifestation who is a believer of law of attraction. That's how I'm going to target something like Facebook interest target. Okay, and 50% of my boards and pins are based on that only. Rest I'm going to cover broad. Okay, because Pinterest works like that. But if it is a YouTube channel or a website, then I'm not going to do that. I'm going to extremely go with only 2 keywords, that is manifestation and money. That's what my goal. I'm not going to go here first, but in the Pinterest you can go by that. So with that said, we can go to the Pinterest here, and if you don't know which niche is good for you, then first of all create a business account. And then once if you create a business account, you will get this feature called business, create, analytics and ads. Under this analytics, you can go audience insight. So here you can see under this, okay, because this is a very, very new account, you can't see much data here, but here you can see, you can click here, all Pinterest users. Okay, once if you click this one, it will show you the entire, the Pinterest user and what niche they are making more content. Look at this, home decor has covered almost like 69% of audience. Okay, education 63, entertainment 63. Now you can have an idea, right, which niche you have to start. Okay, if you don't have any idea on that, and now you want to see in education what kind of a content people are creating, just click here. You're gonna see more interest here. Okay, this was the category, this is the interest, like subjects, right? Art and education level, physical science, history, these are the things. Okay, let me go to health here, where right you can see diet and nutrition, diet, weight loss, almost 13%, but diets and nutrition is more. That means guys, you can create like keto diet. Okay, and also look at this low carb recipes, people are looking more ketogenic diet, 2% here. Okay, so you can have some idea. If you click here, it will take you to the board. So here you can see, right, health, ketogenic diet, right, so many things, right, all the pins you can see here. So you can have some idea here how people are using. Also you can find who are the people inside of this, what kind of a products, if somebody is selling videos on this, all the boards which is ranking in this, it will show you all this. Okay, ketogenic diet. So you can have some idea, right, how other people are doing here. And then you can decide, finally you have to decide, right, which niche you have to get into. All this data you can see here. And also you have age and gender, device, people are using more phone, right? As I said, young users are more and genders are female. Okay, overall. So now you have some idea which niche is good for you. So now guys, keeping in this 2 keywords in the mind, manifestation and money, we will do the keyword research. I'm going to show you 4 different methods of doing keyword research. So this video will be longer. So stick to this video till the end. And if you're really learning from this video, smash that like button right away, right now, and do subscribe if you have not subscribed and watching first time. And then guys, the first keyword method is like putting your keywords here in the search bar, right? Manifestation, for example. So the moment if you put the manifestation, you're going to see a lot of different other keywords. Okay, but before we get into this lead keyword, you can call suggested keyword, you can call lead keyword, whatever it is. Okay, but let me show you one more thing here. Okay, this is my method number 1. You can do the auto complete or auto suggestion, how you're doing in the YouTube or Google. Like if you type A, you're going to see all the keywords here related to A, like affirmations, right? Affirmation spirituality and affirmation law. So many things you can get here. Like this, if you type like B here, you're going to see like affirmation board, box idea, babe, right? And then if you type like C, you're going to get like crystal, collage, crush, colors, so many things you're going to get here. Okay, and then if you type like D, you're going to get something drawing, right, doodle, dream life, all these things. So like this guys, you have like endless, right, keyword idea you can come up with this, and you can use these kinds of keywords in your board, as well as you can also create in a pin, or even in the descriptions of pins and board you can use these kinds of keywords. Okay, that I'm going to show you when we are going to create a video on that. Let me go to the method number 2 quickly, and that is the moment you type like manifestation here, or you might be going to select like any of this like manifestation tips, right? Once if you selected, once if you enter this, you're going to see all this lead keyword. Okay, all this lead keyword, like look at this money, and you're going to have a lot of things here. Look at this, these are like I called as a lead keyword to understand. Okay, and you can use so many things, manifestation for beginners, okay, manifestation board, manifestation method, anything. This all you have to decide. Okay, and you have to create a board and pins like that. Okay, or writing a description, you can use all these kinds of a keyword. For example, if you go manifestation just like this, and you select like generals here, again you're going to get like lot of suggested keywords. So now if you select like this, how to start a manifestation journal, now this can be a very good title for your pin. Okay, that is the reason in this title you can see other pins which is ranking here. So you can use in that way for, or else, right, you can see manifestation journal, then you can have many other thing you can use, like manifestation inspiration. Okay, and now you can see manifestation journal inspiration. That's why guys, Pinterest has been called like guided search engine. In Google you will not find that thing. Everything is depend upon your the keyword which you're typing, but here it is a guided. It's going to keep on guiding according to that, right? It will keep on putting the words in the first as well as at the end. Okay, as we have already decided, our primary keyword will be money, manifestation and money. Okay, that is really important, right? You should not lost in this all. So now if you select like manifesting money, you're gonna see so many different keywords here. Look at this, manifesting money. I can use this as a board, and then I can select like how to, and now it's showing how to manifest money. I can have some idea, right? Now how I am going to create the pins. Okay, so I'll get a lot of pin ideas, how to manifest money, or something like in 24 hours. Look at this, how to manifest money in 24 hours. So you got some amazing pin title for you. Now you have to put this pin into the title, like watching there, this one. And if you are not creating your own pin, now you have if you have a board like this in how to manifest, you can use and save this kinds of pin here. Okay, we will talk about saving and all, pinning and all at right in our other video. So this way, right, this second method is so powerful guys. You can have endless of results you can find out with this method. Now what I'm going to do guys, in the back end I'm going to collect all the keywords, right? Primary keyword is very clear for me. Okay, and then I'm going to collect the lead keywords here, and then I have like suggested keyword. Now guys, keeping in this thing mind, I'm going to set up my account, my boards and pin. I will not lost in the keyword research because there are many keywords. If you can see, okay, there is endless of keyword. Another way, right, that is my third method, is to go and create a campaign. Okay, and that is like click here, right, create a campaign. This feature you're going to get like if you upgrade to business account. Select here, create ad, select continue. So here in the bottom guys, you can see one feature called keywords. This has been used while running the ad, but we are not going to run any ad, but we are going to do the keyword research by volume. Okay, so if you type here manifestation, it will show you all the keywords with the volume, search volume per month. How to manifest, right, law of manifestation. Okay, these are the important keyword for us, like law of affirmation, law of attraction, how to manifest what you want, and how to manifest law, manifesting law. All these things are the keyword which you can use in your boards, pins and everywhere. Okay, we are going to do again when we are going to create the board and pin. Okay, that's how you're going to find this all keywords. I'm just showing you in a depth how you can do different keyword search with the Pinterest. Okay, so this is one of the way. And the fourth method I have is you have to click here and you have to click inside this trends. Okay, and now here you can select by the country, and you can see, as well as now we are targeting US. So I'm going to put like all the terms here like manifestation. So if I click here manifestation, now look at the search volume which is right, which is going on from the last year to till now. Okay, here you can see how many search volume it will be here, and also other keyword related terms which is doing very good with the search. Okay, and here also you can see some of the top boards and pins. These are the pins which is ranking here. More you're gonna save this kinds of pin in your boards, more there is a chances, right, you're going to get the traffic from this. Okay, these are the pins which is doing very well, high search volume, right? So you can post more these kinds of pin in your board. So this is really important, what's going on this month, right? You can see all of things here. Okay, you can add more keywords like manifesting. Okay, once if you click here, it will be added here, and you can add more terms here. Okay, and then you can see what is the search volume for each of this. It will change the color and it will show you what is happening here. And with this also you can have some idea, right, and what is the good terms you can target here. So here you can see some similarities, right, like manifestation, one term is doing high search volume and other is like little bit low. So this can be a good idea to target your target customer. So this is one of the way guys, you can add more keywords and you can find this. So hope this 4 method is going to help you to create your account, board and pins. Still my ratio remain the same, like manifestation, money, law of attraction. These 3 keywords I will target more with my board and pin in my new account. Hope you got some value. If you got value from this video, smash that like button right away, right now, and subscribe my channel so that you can get more video related to Pinterest as well as other content.